Now let us look at one of the simple basic while drawing a schematic. So this is part of a circuit design basic, which is very important for a beginner to understand. Now let us assume we have a capacitor, okay, and this capacitor has some connectivity and it is going around. Okay, now we'll also connect the ground for completion of the circuit. Okay, now for this, right, let us assume we have another capacitor. Okay, so let us assume we have another capacitor parallel to this. Now when we draw a wire, okay, if you see when you connect, it forms a dot here. So this dot signifies that this is a node and there is a connectivity formed. So in schematic design, ensure that a dot is formed, otherwise it indicates no connection. Now let us assume we draw something here. Okay, you can see here when we draw there is no node that is formed here. That means there is no connectivity. So for beginners, it is very important to understand that when you are drawing something, you need to have a node here such that it indicates the connectivity. Okay, a simple basic but very important to understand for the beginner.